I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths for board exams. First, focus on building a strong foundation by understanding every concept from your textbook. Don't just memorize, truly grasp the logic behind each topic. Consistent daily practice is crucial. Aim to solve 10 to 15 problems every day to reinforce your learning. Make sure you have all key formulas and theorems committed to memory, as they are the building blocks for solving complex questions. Next, move beyond just understanding to active problem solving. Systematically solve every example and exercise provided in your textbook to ensure comprehensive coverage. Then, challenge yourself with previous year's board examination papers. This helps you understand the exam pattern and common question types. As you practice, identify any topics where you struggle and dedicate extra time and effort to master those specific areas. Effective revision and time management are key to success. Develop concise short notes for each chapter, summarizing key formulas and concepts for quick review before exams. Regularly take time-bound mock tests to simulate exam conditions and improve your speed and accuracy. After each test, thoroughly review your answers, understand where you made errors, and learn from those mistakes to prevent them in the actual examination. Finally, on the day of the exam, maintain a positive and calm mindset. Confidence can significantly impact your performance. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of adequate sleep the night before, as a well-rested mind performs better. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Good luck with your board exams. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.